Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am fishing a little closer to home, taking a break from the lake trout stuff, and I'm headed out here to Strawberry Reservoir to just cruise around and do a little fishing for some cutthroat. Today we are supposed to get some more weather moving in. It's supposed to be windy and rainy later, so I figured I would just do kind of a quick trip, catch some fish, shoot some content. I am testing out a new app and shooting some content for that, and yeah, this should just be a fun one. This lake always produces some good fish, good numbers, and it's a really fun lake to fish, especially this time of year right after ice off. So stay tuned. We're gonna go get the boat launched and we'll see what we can do. All right, we're just about set up, cruising over to the first spot, and so far the wind's not too bad. Guess we'll see how it goes. Beautiful strawberry cutthroat. All right, I didn't get it on this camera, but we just got a first nice cutthroat of the day. So seems like they're eating. Let's see if we can get another one. Marking a bunch of fish here. There's a nice fish. Let's see how close we got to him. Ooh, missed him. Here's a nice fish 40 feet in front of the boat. Let's see if we can get his attention. Oh, he sees it. Wow. Pulled it right out of his mouth. There's a fish 40 feet out right on the surface. That's what we want. Oh. Huh, they're really picky today. Weird for this place. Oh, got him. Got him. It's like a big rainbow this time. Nice rainbow. Nice. Fatty. Wow. That thing is not long, but he is thick. Oh, he's gone. All right, we got a fish chasing. Let's see if he'll hit it. All right, I think it's time to change baits. All right, and real quick, I just want to give a shout out to my buddy Paul at Easy Lure. These little tubes he's got are seriously like the best thing you can throw here at Strawberry, or really anywhere with trout. Another rainbow. Nice one on the white with the red eye from Paul from Easy Lure. All right, I found this little spot tucked out of the wind, so hopefully it's a little better. Oh, we got a fish coming. All right, we're gonna run this blue pearl pepper with red eyes. It's one of my favorites. God, I'm in a little swim jig. There's another nice strawberry cutthroat. Well, that sucks. I broke one of my favorite spinning rods. I had it laying right there and went to pick it up and forgot it was under that cleat and snapped it right below the first guide. Shit. All right, I'm getting pretty sick of this wind. I think it might be time to call it for the day. Oh, that was cold. Holy shit. That was freezing. God damn. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Kind of a slow day. I cruised around a lot looking for fish and just fighting the wind all day. The same thing, I went out yesterday for a little bit and had the same problem. You know, the wind's just blowing me all over the place. So I fish an area for a little while and then go run over and find a cove to get out of the wind and kind of wait till it dies down, go back, fish it again. Then the wind would pick up and I'd have to run back to another cove. So kind of just spent the day avoiding the wind, but I did manage a few fish, you know, some nice cutthroat, a couple fat rainbows. So overall, still good to get out. It's crazy the conditions were, you know, glassy and nice this morning, and now it started snowing on me right before I left. So kind of a crazy day, typical Utah weather though. So kind of a short one, but hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, drop a comment, all that stuff. I appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel, and I've got lots more to come, so stay tuned.